Hello and good evening. I'm Helen Gruber, and I'm here to welcome you to the debate between the theories of creationism and evolutionism. Basically, where did we come from? I would like to thank both of you for coming today, and to start off, I would like you to state your names and your positions for this debate.
Hi, I'm Smothers, and I will be talking on behalf of evolution.
Hello, my name is Amanda Ahn. I am a creationist.
Now, to decide who will go first, we'll have a coin toss. Who would like heads and who would like tails?
I'll take heads.
I'll take tails.
And heads it is. The first question will be for you, Mr. Smothers. The first question is, since no one has directly observed evolution, how can you believe in it?
Evolution is, by nature, a process that takes millions and millions of years. And that process is not on a time scale that humans are accustomed to. It's very hard for humans to fathom a time scale of millions of years. But that doesn't mean evolution has not been observed. On a micro level, we have seen changes in gene types and gene pools over populations. There have been experiments done, perhaps the most famous by Professor Linsky with his research on bacteria, that has shown over time that genes have changed and microbes have evolved.
Thank you, Mr. Smothers. Now on to Miss Ann's question. Miss Ann, if creationism is real, how can the entire human race come from two human beings?
Let me start by saying that creationism is real. For example, just look at our own bodies. All these various parts, the heart, the limbs, the eyes, the stomach, the brain, it all goes together so smoothly, it's almost as if it's a design. And of course, every design has a designer, so who else but God? There's simply no way such an amazingly complex thing could have just evolved. It had to be created.
Thank you, Miss Ann. Now we will have a few questions from the audience.
Nicole, this question is for Mr. Smothers. I'm just wondering whether the evolution is totally a result of chance?
Well, yes and no. Evolution is partly due to chance, but saying that it's a total result of chance would be ignoring the concept of natural selection, which says that the dominant organism in an ecosystem will survive, and its genes will be passed on, and by that nature, in the sense that survival of the fittest takes place, the organism that wins lives.
Thank you, Mr. Smothers. Now we'll have another question from the audience.
你好，这个问题我想请教一下温女士。请问，作为一名无神论者，我应该如何相信这个世界是被上帝创造出来的呢？
Well, simply put, you can't. My theory of creationism is based off of the Bible and the book of Genesis, the Word of God. If you do not believe in God, then you cannot believe in my theory.
And for our last question, we will have a question from a randomly chosen guest via Skype.
Hello. We just heard that an atheist cannot believe in creationism. So, does that mean that a Christian cannot believe in evolution?
Evolution is not a religious belief, and it is not something that you just believe in. People don't believe in the theory of gravity. People don't believe in the theory of quantum electrodynamics. They accept the evidence that has been presented to them over a scientific consensus over decades of all this evidence and information that has been gathered, and they make judgments based on that evidence. It's not simply something that you believe in. You either accept the evidence or you don't, and you look foolish.
Thank you for your questions, audience members, and thank you for your answers, debaters. We will now have a short recess, and when we come back, we will have more debate questions. I hope you're excited because I surely am.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you kill me.
Shit.
Well, evolution hasn't been directly observed per se, but that's actually easy.
Thank you, Mr. Smothers. Now on to Mrs. Ann's question. Mrs. Ann, if Mrs. you're not fucking married.
Hey, Dad.
Who would like heads and who would like tails?
I'll take heads.
I'll take tails. Alright.